Alright, welcome back. So, I've got a few messages on this. It's late at night, but I've got a few messages how CrackMapExec is going to be going away. It's going to be called NetEx now. This is a whole thing between CrackMapExec, the people that kind of came up with it, stuff like that. But to download NetEx, which is literally CrackMapExec version 6 now, all we're going to do is git clone, and we're going to go ahead, git clone. And we go ahead and throw this in there, okay? Actually, I don't even need to do all that. So git clone https github.com pennyworth with a 0 netx. All right, pennyworth with a 0 netx. Hit enter. And that's going to go ahead and that's going to download netx for you. So pretty much it is CrackMapExec version 6. Just the name is now changed and CrackMapExec is going to now be netx. CrackMapExec is also supposedly also going to continue being used. Let's go and cd into netx. All right, from here we can do a pip3 install period, and that'll install for you, or you can also install with poetry if you would like to, and that would just be a poetry install. We'll go ahead and we'll install this, and it's going to actually go to a path that's not exported. I think that's really the only problem that I've seen so far. So we do have to export a path, so we're going to say export path equals $path. And then we'll append that at the end. This path figure is going to do it. So there we go, okay? So you can see the scripts that boom, boom, boom are installed in here, which is not on the path, okay? So we go ahead and grab this like right here. All right. Make sure you put that colon in, put in your path, your newest path, enter. Now if we do an echo path, there we go. So now that's now in there. Let's go and exit out of here and make sure that stays in there. Echo $path. And decide to go away. So we need to export path equals $path. That guy right there. Why it's going away, I don't know. I probably have to do something within. Let's see here. Export path permanently. Permanently set a new path variable. Here we go. Yeah, export path to dir. I mean, that should be it, like right there. You need to add to your profile or bash rc. Let's go ahead and add to our profile. cd back. Let's go ahead and sudo nano our profile. So this one looks like it's going to bash. Set path, so it includes user's private bin, home local bin, and we actually also want, I forgot what that one was, home Cali local bin, home Cali, so that'll be home local bin. So we also want, let's say, we'll go ahead and we'll copy all this like right here. That didn't work out at all for me because I suck at copying in Vim. So we're just going to go ahead and actually do that. Let's do a sudo sublime. There we go. We'll take all this. And then we'll go ahead and just put in a home Cali local bin. Do something like that. Let's see if that works. We'll control S on that. Let's go ahead and echo path now. Home Cali local bin. There we go. So now we can go ahead and run netx. The netx command, right? Hit enter. And there we go. As you can see, it is the same. Now, if you have already downloaded CrackEverything, all right, let's go ahead and sublime that. Tools, CrackEverything 6. Super simple. You literally just have to change this to netx. To netx, save that, okay? And now CrackEverything version 6 will still work. So if we do a, let's see here, Python 3, tools, CrackEverything 6.py. All right, it's still going to work. It's still going to call for that that netx command now. All right, because all the commands because that's just a variable, so super simple. I made that a variable because I know that some people use CME, others use CrackMapExec, and now people are now going to be using NetEx. So that is something you can do like right there to get that to work. I'll probably release another version that just has NetEx already in it. All right, but that'll be it. Hopefully you guys learned something, and yep, NetEx is now going to be the new CrackMapExec.